Hello, and welcome to a very special episode of MADVENT. We have 3 days left, today, tomorrow, and then Tuesday. And as you can see by the thumbnail, I have 7 hours left. So today we are going to be doing 5 hours. Hello, Patrick. Thank you for joining us. So it's going to be a big day. We're going to have to get a lot done. I have prepared as much really as I can, but at the end of the day, wasn't able to make like a lot in the sense of art assets. I have a little cat model, so I am going with the cat theme of you're a cat climbing a giant human or a giant monster, maybe from the perspective. We still have not been able to figure out a name. I've literally been thinking for like 2 days now. The best that I've come up with, or at least the one that Ren likes the most, is 8 lives left, which is kind of fun, but then I actually have to change the gameplay to sort of match it because there's no like life system in the game. I have a drink. So yeah, I'm gonna poll it to you, the audience, and if someone comes up with something today, then I'll probably make a quick little logo tomorrow, or between tomorrow and today and tomorrow. But yeah, we're just gonna have to do it. So most of it's gonna be graphics, but also the first thing today is yesterday I was trying to get being able to playtest the game, because obviously I've been playtesting as I've been doing it, and but what I didn't realize is that because obviously it's me with a VR headset and I take off the VR headset and I play out in the game, that's fine. But if I want to play the actual game versus like another person, so someone else takes the controls or someone else is on the VR headset, you can't do both at the same time on the same machine, which I guess makes sense, but it just kind of sucks. So I have to, and the multiplayer that I had working only runs on localhost at the moment, so it only runs on the same machine. So I need to basically set up a polling system so that you can automatically connect to any other games that are on your local area network, and that way I can then have someone on, say, my laptop playing the game while I'm on this machine with a VR headset, or just having a VR headset that's connected to the same Wi-Fi should work. So yeah, that kind of sucks, but it's something we're gonna have to do because that will make it playable for everyone. Hopefully, making it work across networks, that's a whole other thing. I'd have to buy servers. Obviously, I could do that at some point. I probably will, maybe update it. But I also don't have like money to just sort of spend. They can't see you, don't worry. But I don't have money to just sort of spend on like servers for this project, which is fine. I think having a local area makes more sense anyway. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'm excited. I think I'll go with the multiplayer stuff first because I already have found a solution online for it. But we'll need to make a little like thing for the polling. But hopefully it should showcase some pretty advanced multiplayer stuff for you guys. So that's great. Yeah, I was about to be like, I've been having a lovely birthday weekend. It's not really. I don't know what counts as a birthday weekend. The weekend is, I mean, birthday's on Tuesday, so. But Doctor Who was on last night, the first of the 60th anniversary specials, and that was great. Loved it. There was one bit that was kind of hilarious in like how kind of missed the mark there, but I mean like I liked it. It's just in the sense of I guess like you can tell the person who wrote it, but it was good, and like overall it was just like, I don't know, so great seeing those actors and those characters again, so that was nice. But other than that, just been chilling, hanging out with friends. So, well, I don't know, chilling. I was fully too busy yesterday to do anything because just seeing people doing birthday stuff. I'd also, yeah, a bit of other stuff, a bit of prep for this. But yeah, so today, 5 hours. I'm going to do 2.5 hours until 3 o'clock or just past. And then I'll take an hour break. I guess I'll leave the stream running. I'm not sure. Maybe I should turn the stream off. We'll figure that out in a bit. But yeah, and then I'll pick it back up again at 4. I keep going to 6:30. I've just realized I don't have live spawn, so that's not good. Oh, it is called live split. I'm not going crazy. Oh, it's called split file. I'm pretty sure it's called live split. Okay, there we go. Is that showing now? Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. Whew. There's a lot to get done. There's a lot to get done in 7 hours, and I am not super confident that's going to happen. But I want to get something out, and I want it to look at least somewhat nice. So we're going to mainly focus on base graphics, some kind of skybox, maybe a little bit of terrain if we can get to it. I don't even know if it has a terrain system. I am going to use asset library stuff, obviously all open source stuff, but yeah, I wanted to make my own first system, my own little I forgot what the shader's even called, but it just yeah, I don't have time, which sucks. I'm glad I made my own IK system, but first system, that's gonna have to be a project for another time, which is fine. I wanted to follow Acerolla's video, but I wanted to do it in Godot, but yeah, that's how it is. Okay, I should get started on this. I'm gonna take another drink. Ah, nice. That's Robinson's blackcurrant juice. Other juices are available. Okay, let's get on with it. I haven't actually checked to see if the VR headset's working today, but I guess we don't need to do too much testing. I did eventually get it working the other day, so I have tested it since, and all of our fixes work pretty much perfectly, so that's a thumbs up. I feel like there was something that didn't work as good as I'd hoped, but I think it's fine. Yeah, but it's mainly this multiplayer thing that I need to get working. So I think it will still work on localhost. So yeah, let us get on with it. So let's load up Godot. Hello. Oh, I also upgraded it to the most recent version of Godot 4.2, which I don't think has changed really much of anything, but that's how it is. So I've got a little tutorial here, not tutorial, just a bit of code to help us with this polling. It's going to poll on UDP, and basically it's going to be like the server starts polling for something, and the client then broadcasts stuff, and then when they basically listen to each other, it's going to be literally just like, oh, this is the IP address that I need to connect to. Okay. 7 hours left. Let's do it. Okay, so I need to create new scenes. Oh, this is so disorganized now as well. But it's just gonna have to be how it is, I think. Let's do create new. I'm gonna do folder and we'll call it scenes, and we'll try and make that work later. But then I need to create a new scene, and this is gonna be server polling. And it's user interface. And you create a new scene, client polling, also user interface. Cool. So let's focus on server polling for now. Let us add a child node. It needs to be some kind of control node, maybe, or I think a node TD is fine. I literally just want like a little loading bar. I'm realizing that might be too hard. Marker, what the hell? Too deep is it? Okay, fine. It could be a path 2D actually. That could work. And then I could just rotate it. Let us perhaps do that. Yeah, I think anything else is gonna not quite work for us. So let's do path 2D. Curve 2D, bake interval, points, add element, position, sure. Kind of element, sure. Oh, it's a little, aha, perfect. Okay, well, these are kind of the wrong way, but now I can do that. Cool. What bake interval? That doesn't do anything. Can I not like curve this? Instantiate scene here. That's weird. Right, is this just like a regular, is this curve? Is there another, yeah, new curve, whatever? Is this a resource? Ooh, hang on. What are you? What was that? Oh, it's moving them around, is it? Okay. Position in, out. Oh, wait. The in and out. Maybe... Okay, something's happening there. I don't know the controls for this at all. Oh, this is already such a big mistake. Alt, maybe? Oh, okay, that deleted it. Okay. Hello, like, can I do anything? Oh, here we go. What about you? Perfect. Okay. I'm realizing, oh, this add point in empty space, delete point, close curve. Okay, so the problem I'm realizing is that this is just a path, and we can, I assume, do things with it, but we can't actually canvas item. Oh, it's visible. Okay. Ordering, texture, material. I have a bad feeling this isn't gonna create something that we want. So not gonna do that. I'm just gonna create a little cube and it's gonna spin. That seems easiest. Let's do control, color rect. It's just gonna be here. It needs to be, oh, white's fine. Localization, no, I don't need this. Visibility, ordering. How do I change the origin? Oh, here we go. Make a preset. Oh, it disappeared. What's over here? It's just, how do I move you? Also, that counts as the center. Oh, I see it does. Okay. Fair enough. Is it layout? Put contents, custom inside, transform. Here we go. Pivot offset. Okay, well, I guess if make this like kind of big. Yeah, let's do this like 150. That's 150. And then 150. And then its anchor point is 75. 75. Perfect. And its position is 0, 0. Not quite. Seems like that the position should be local, but that's fine. Yeah, no, center is basically what I wanted. Layout mode, position. Oh, it's and center. Oh, well, okay, that fixed it. Okay, so that'll go zoom, 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 zoom. We'll just put this as like spinning loading, and then I guess you will need the script, new script. It's going to be a GD script, server polling.gd, that's fine. Alright, and then I'm going to copy this code I found online, but I will edit it. Ooh. Oh my word. Back to Godot, here we go. Sure, extends control, never mind. Okay, so yeah, that works. UDP server. Right, what did I call the servers here in Big Player? Oh right, I can't see the I need to go to the scripting. So in Big Controller, you're the main server. So this uses eNet multiplayer pair, which is obviously different. Creates a server that listens to connections via a port. The port needs to be available using the port, unused port between that. Note the ports blah, 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 blah. To change the interface the server listens on, use enet.setBindIP string. The default IP is a wildcard star, which listens on all available interfaces. Max clients is the maximum number of clients that are allowed at once. Any number up to 495 can be used, blah, blah, blah. Create client and string. Okay, it returns error okay if a server was created. It returns error already in use if the right. This is already has a open connection. Error can't create if a server could not be created. Okay. Right, so I can set the IP. That's good. That's what we want to start with. Shoot. It's the way that I've... Oh, man. If I do this via GDScript, how am I going to get it? Well, we're going to figure it out. Okay, so this code is basically creates a new UDP server, and then, yeah, when it's running, it polls the server, is connection available, takes the connection, gets the packet, accepted peer is this, receive data is this, replies so we know the message, peer put packet. Okay. Oh, right, I see. Here you get packet port. Wait. Okay, confused. When does this get hit though? Start broadcast. Did I mess something up? No, I got the whole thing. Oh, it sets process to false. I see. So we need to get it to start the broadcast. Yeah, you can use GDScript and C#. There's no problem with using both. I usually use it for I usually use GDScript for just things that are a bit more close to Godot and also need to be simpler, so a script makes more sense. Okay, I mean, and getting them to communicate between each other can be a pain. It looks like we're gonna have to do that today, though. So yeah, start broadcast, server.listen on that. Okay, the broadcast starts. So let's do that for now. That's also, oh man, but then I don't have process, so I can't. Oh wait, you know what? I can get it to do the thing. I literally just do get node. So dumb. Spinning, loading. What's the matter? Oh. Classic. Spinning, loading. Is there multiple? I assume I can't do this. No. Can do as. Movie color rect. And then I just do like var spinner equals that. Oh, you know what? I should just do a var spinner. Don't need semicolons, and then just do this. And then on the delta, spinner dot. Oh, you know what? I'll do color rect. Spinner dot transform. Yeah. Transform dot rotation. No? Ah. Also not helping. Like, why wouldn't you tell me what it is? Dot? No? Okay, fine. Spinner dot rotation dot. Oh, now you have a thing. Color? What? Degrees? Rotated? That's annoying. Okay, we're gonna have to go into the docs, find out what that is. Godot control rotation variable. I don't want to use. Okay, control. It might be. Here we go. Float rotation. I can just set it maybe. Offset is edited in the expected degrees. If you want to use degrees in a script, use rotation degrees. Oh, I see. Okay. And then what I can just do. This could be wrong, but plus equals delta times. I guess I could do. Oh, I can't set. Let's do rotation degrees, and then plus equals delta. Oh. Underscore delta, and we'll rotate it like 3 times a second. So we have 360 degrees, then I guess I'll do 360 times 3. Oh, and you work. Cool. I also don't need the semicolon. I don't know if the things go weird there. Okay, cool. And then the spinner should just hopefully spin, and that should be fine. I don't know how to get it to start and stop broadcast. I think I'll actually maybe just set process to true, because I kind of want it, as soon as I load the scene, I want it to work. And then I guess we'll stop the broadcast once we move into it. It's gonna be weird, but I think it's fine. If server is connection available, cool. Okay, yeah, what I want to do. Yeah, I'm wondering if there's a way of sharing data, because obviously statically I can't receive the data. I was thinking I'll share it through a static variable, but I'm realizing now that probably won't work between Godot and C#, which sucks. We'll figure it out. So let's get the client polling stuff up. So we want the same thing as this. Nice little that, and you, yeah, same thing. And we want to give you a new script. That's GD script control client polling, all good. And then I'll take the other side of this. Oh, hang on. There we go. Oh. Okay, and then copy hit. Cool. So now we're UDP peer. We're not connected. What is client stuff? Oh, I guess this is called that, right? No, what? We're getting a lot of stuff here. I don't think any of this stuff is important right now. Yeah, or okay. Did I not copy all of it, or what's the matter? Ready, set process false. Oh, I see. Oh, that's good. That could be good. Well, it's not really gonna work in this. Yeah, again, I think I'll just set it to true, and then we'll try and get it. Okay. So I don't need this. And I should definitely need this. What's the error here? I wonder. Can't find property .2UTF8 in string. So that must be old. Maybe this is fine now. What's your deal? Packed byte array. Okay, maybe .2 byte. Oh, okay, maybe it's this buffer thing. Does that work? That works. Cool. Client polling, not important then. Yeah, so let's just get a var host IP address. I'm assuming, well, we can make it like a, oh, whatever. We'll declare here. And we won't join the server. Okay, that stops broadcasting. It says we're connected. That's great. Contacted host. Good. So basically it's in this section that we want to join this IP address, but we also want to make sure we create the server when we've actually received it. So This is fine. This is actually, we just need to, so we have another script, main menu handler, and instead of this big player, we actually want client polling. No, we don't want client polling. We want server polling. And we want client polling in this one. And then instead we want this bad boy. So nothing actually has to change really about our server because it's actually already doing the things that we want. So in the server polling, we need you to, yeah, once we've received it and we've broadcast it back, we actually want to change the scene to file big player. Okay, don't know why you did that, but it's fine. Ruble, today is not the day. Today is not the day, bro. No. Don't know why he's suddenly acting up. Okay, big player, that's good. And then we want the same thing for the client, right? So when they receive it, and it might suck because they might receive it a bit too fast. I guess we could have it wait for like a second. I don't know how easy that is to do it, but yeah, when the available packet count is more than that, get string, stop broadcasting, sure. And then we want that to main. Yeah, so the question is sharing the data between this. This change scene to file. Can we evaluate section? No. It's lookup symbol. Sick. It's just a string. And we could have a pack scene, but again, doesn't really help us. We need to send a signal to another scene. Erg. Bubba, no, Bubba, Ruble. I know having this in like multiple different scenes and then like loading and unloading them is maybe the best, but in this case, feels like it's a bit much. I'm gonna quickly think up how to share data between scenes. Good-o. If anyone has any suggestions, it's always good. So if you can drag the node in the code editor to get a direct reference control to make it on ready. Oh, look at that. Didn't know that. That's pretty cool. Okay, here we go. Scene switch data flow. Yeah. Memory management scenes when you see look under the hood, blah, 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 blah. Transfer data between. So global structures that retain data. Obviously, yeah, singletons. I feel like a singleton is not going to work because we need the data in C#. Oh yeah, and then the other option is creating a scene manager. Oh, not what you want. Okay, fine. Then how about getting static data from GD class, GD script in C#. Let's have a look at you. Okay, well in GD, yeah, in GD script it seems pretty simple. Yeah, you just call it. What about C#? Wait. Okay. Final scripts. That's not helpful. Oh, okay, calling static functions. I see. Okay. Right, this is C#. Print data, and then print data is static func. Okay, perfect. That's what we need to do. That might be what we need to do. Okay. It's gonna seem a little weird, but does this work? Boy, oh boy. Okay, let's try it. So what we want to do is script on server polling, I guess. No, client polling. We don't actually have to do anything on server polling. So can I do a static var? Oh, sorry, static var. Okay, that seems to work. Host IP address. I have no idea what it's meant to be. What's the return value of this? Lookup symbol. It's a string. Cool. So you're a string. I keep forgetting not to do that. I have to do the whatever. Okay, and then you're just equal to that. And it stops broadcasting, and then it changes the scene to the main. And then in the main, I assume in the big player, right? So this we can get the address we need for this basically. This is called the vert, isn't it? I could maybe make it so that this takes some time. There's some arguments. Maybe. But the fact that it's deferred gives me a bit more hope that it'll actually work. So instead, we basically want to use this system. Where we do this script. Sure. I mean, client polling. Resource loader dot load, and then this will be what scenes slash client polling dot gd. As scripts should be good. And then can I literally do like client polling dot call? So that's a function. Can I do get? What does that do? And then a name returns the variant of a given property if, oh, I see. C#, this must be snake case. This could be fine. Host IP address. What's your deal? Oh, it comes out something. Right, it's a good variant. So it needs to be string. Oh, right. Well, I guess we'll do string equals string host equals client polling as string. Don't want to work. All right, it's as capital string. Okay, no, don't want to work with that. Variant. Oh wait, maybe it's easy as string. Cool. Okay, and then host IP. I'll print it as well. Do a gd print getting static IP address, and then just plus host IP address. Oh boy. This could go amazingly, it would go terribly. It really, really completely depends. I'm kind of excited though. I'm excited for it to potentially work. And if it doesn't work, then we'll try the function thing first. I also need to add in Godot the spinning block. Let's do spinner. And then spinner equals that. And then yeah, and then the polling. So this could go terribly or it could go amazingly, and we're just gonna have to figure out which is which. I really hope it works though. I really do. I might have to share the IP address between these two though, but we'll see. Let's give it a play, I guess. Let's do tools. All right, debug, run multiple instances, running 2 instances. Cool. Hopefully everyone can see. I guess you won't be able to see until. Oh, you know what? We'll get them to both. Change the window on ready. That seems to make sense. Window dot title. Really? Never mind. Let's just play both and then try. Hopefully you'll be able to see one of the screens. Oh, it's the entire project. Oh boy. Okay, that's fine, right? Yeah, you'll work without OpenXR. Oh, okay, close Colossus. Well, that didn't go great. What's your deal? Okay. Oh my word! And already a mistake. Already a mistake. There's it's scenes slash subplot scenes. Okay, that's fine. TSN polling, yes. Now to play. Yeah. Okay, and then play player. Cool, and they're spinning indefinitely. That's great. One of them. No, but that means the processes on both are running. They're just not finding each other? Question mark? Maybe they need some time? Nope. They're still spinning. Can you guys even see that? No, you can't. Yeah, so I'm just getting in for loading screen. Brilliant. Brilliant. Okay. So, I thought, right. Oh boy. The server didn't start listening. That's exactly what went wrong. Cool. Let's, yeah, server.listen. And I guess server.stop when we when we go to the tree. Like again, like the way they set it up is better. I'm not there. Everything else should be fine. So let's just exit it and restart. I really gotta figure out a way to make it so that it doesn't do that. Okay, players Colossus, players player. Oh, and they both load. Oh my god. That's great. I think that just means it works. Can you all see? Yeah, I guess you can all see. Why is it so small? Let's move these around. Put you up there. Put you here. Great. Fantastic. Okay, so we've got some pretty advanced multiplayer. That should hopefully work for anything on the LAN. Oh, hey Ren, you okay?
I'm eating my shoes.
Oh, okay. Sorry. You are slightly on camera, is that a problem? Okay. Oh yeah, okay. I'm gonna pause for 1 second. I'll be back in literally just like 10 seconds. Okay, sorry. Just saying goodbye to Ren there. She is off on some birthday errands. Very mysterious. Big fan. Okay, so this is working. This should now work on the LAN. I'm not going to test it today, I think, because don't have time. Oh, I guess we never checked to see if it actually connected. Nuts. We've got some errors. These are the regular kind of errors that we've been having, I think. Yeah. I don't think any of these are like the... Yeah, because they're broadcasting position. And that should generate tons of errors. I guess if I play on the right side, and I start climbing up the thing, should show up on the... Yeah, you can see the broadcasting the position. Okay, that's good. And I guess we should also... let's play a little bit of the game so that we can kill the thing. I think these damage zones are doing too much damage. Yeah, like it's doing 30 at a time. It should be doing 10. Oh, I ran out of stamina. That's not good. That's not good. Oh boy, I fell all the way down. But I'm glad that I can actually properly playtest the game. Probably do that maybe in the break. Might be a plan. If Ren's back by then, because yeah, you also need two people to accurately playtest it. Hey, but I used a little bit of stamina stuff. Okay, and then one more weak point should do it. And then it worked on both. It worked on both. We both went to the thing. Really? I don't know what you... Oh, right. Oh, I took them out. Oh, nuts. Yeah, I can't remember where I put them. I thought it was in here, maybe? Yeah, no. We might have just run out. But you can get them from Sainsbury's. Okay. Alright. Back to it. So, now that that's done, it is officially time to add some graphics. Ruble? Ruble? Why did I just see him? Oh wait. He's right behind me. God damn. No. I thought Ruble went out with you. I thought I saw him, but he's fine. Yeah, he's on the chair right behind me. Okay. We have wasted enough time. Let us close these boys. And yeah, I'm happy with the connection. That should work fine. It also means it's still going to be one person versus one person. So yeah, everything there works. I think we have everything we need for that kind of thing. We should just get straight into the graphics now. So first thing I'm going to do, asset library. We're going to look for fur. It's going to take a while to... It crashed. Well, that's why they call it a release candidate. Restore. Oh, okay. Beta 4? No, that's not what I want. Hang on just a sec. Yeah, that's the one I want. Okay. Nope. I have never had a crash on the... That gave me a heart attack there for a second. Jesus Christ. Library. Try and search anything. Okay, cool. Fur. Oh god. Oh no. Oh, 4.2. No, why have you done this to me? That's bad. How'd that make it to release? It's just, yeah, it just crashes. That's okay. That's probably fine. Let me look at Godot asset library. Oh, come on. That's not... Didn't type that. So there's an actual for it. Maybe I can download it from there and just put it into the project. It's like not great, but yeah, I can just download it. I guess that's what we're gonna have to do for now. Cool, very cool. Taking a little bit of time to download. It's okay. Am I on the right Wi-Fi? Yeah, I'm on the right Wi-Fi. Oh. Okay, let's find you and open you up. Okay. And what's inside you? Interesting. Okay. There's a project file in here. Well, okay, that's not really what I want. But yeah, I think maybe, I mean, these assets are a little weird. Kindred, trans. I think as long as I just bring in the add-on repo assets. Yeah, I think it's fine. I think if I just get the add-on. Of course, there's no option. Okay. MADVENT project. Yeah, perfect. And then go to add-ons. I think if I just move this into here, it should just work. Okay. And then, yeah, you've probably re-imported it. Squiggles Fur. This is the asset library I'm using. Missing required. No clue. Okay. Plugin.config. I might have to restart the thing. Yeah, I'm gonna restart. Make sure it's loaded properly. Okay, let's go. MADVENT. Come on, no problem. There you go. So, this is Squiggles for assets. Very, yeah, it's got a shader. It's got this. What? Well, that doesn't work that well in games. That's not a great sign. Inspector, tools, types. GD, I don't know what GD means, but yeah. Okay. Yeah, maybe I needed the other stuff. Hopefully not. I mean, I guess I can move it in if I need to. Let's try a really basic, like 3D. Let's try like a, maybe just like this hand. So you're a mesh. Here you are, surface material. So what happens if I give you quick load? I don't want any of the good XR stuff. Very material. So it looks like that. That doesn't look so great. But maybe I can make it better. That's what I want with this. What's your properties? Okay, render priority, next pass, something. Strands, guessing the density increases that. Taper power, fur texture. Oh, we don't have a fur texture. Cool. Resource. Right, this is this. Test geometry. On. Nothing. Taper power. How do I? What happens if I increase this? 6. Nothing. It needs a fur texture, that's for sure. Do we have one in the assets? We have a fuzzy fur gradient. Could be that. Quick load. Could be either one of these. Let's try you. Oh, it's a gradient texture, I see. Perhaps not that then. Perhaps quick load the other one. Ooh. Nope, that's definitely not it. Oh dear. Oh, I was hoping this would go a lot better. Strands, density, taper power. Right, but surely there should be something that like increases the whatever. This is oof. Okay, let's clear you. Like, theoretically, this is how it's supposed to work, but it needs to have multiple meshes, and I'm like, is that just not going to work for me? Texture detector is used in 3D, blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, let's clear you, I think. And we will look into moving the rest of the add-on stuff. So yeah, your add-on assets. I guess that's what we're gonna have to go for. Can I just drag these into? No, I can't. So it needs to be as part of. Oh, come on. Isn't it crazy? Where is it? I haven't. No. No. I guess it's this, and yeah. Hello projects, MADVENT. Let's move these other files in, see if they help. Okay. Any improvement here? No, still looks the same. Test geometry, flow texture, tape up alpha. Well, let's have a look at these. Let's see. That's something else. Assets, perhaps. That looks better. It's got a lot of stuff. It's kind of hard to see though. That's Ruble eating food, by the way. I think that was all. Oh, this testing, add-on testing. Oh boy. Oh man. Oh boy. Oh, okay. Hello. Okay, well the fur is working. So that's a good sign. Really weird design, Jesus Christ. But mesh is this, I guess. Shadow mesh, one. Surface material override. Nope. Oh, here we go. Surface 0. Standard material. Okay. Standard material. Weird. One of these is the fur one, I guess. Mask eyes, mask bow. Fur layer. Material is this. Discard material. Something. Okay. I don't know. I mean, it says this is the hair. So weird. Okay. Don't like. What is this? Mismatch when binding both to render pipeline. Oh my god, the errors are insane. Let's close this. Does that stop the errors? Okay. Okay, that was weird. Let's try something else. So I kind of have material to this. Wait, what the hell? Yeah, you're a mesh. Okay. Can you not change the material of these meshes? I thought I can't change any of the properties. Oh, because right. No worries. Ooh, I should. Oh my god, I need to fix these. Yeah, I mean, I don't have time to actually like line them up properly, but yeah, should definitely be more lined up. There you go. It's like slightly better, but it's fine. Oh my god, these are still terrible. How did this happen? You go down. You go down. Okay, now they actually match up with that collision. That's good. So you, hello, material, shader material, I guess. What shader can I do? Quick load. Furry material. Okay, this is potentially better. Can I open up the strands? Here we go. Okay, this is interesting. The density. It needs a fur texture. What's quick load of fur texture? Is there one in here now? Maybe this? God. Demo PBR. Is you? Nope. That's definitely not it. Quick load. No, I mean obviously when it's breaking, it's to do with the yeah, no, I know how to do the fur depth. I'm just like, I don't think this should work without doing that. It should automatically do it, is the hope. But I am like starting to get worried. It should automatically generate the bonus meshes. It'll suck if it doesn't. Obviously the one we just saw, that was one mesh. So I'm thinking kindred strip. It's not that. Oh boy. Fur gradient. No, not quite. I'm like 6,000. No, that doesn't work at all. It was like 0.5. No, that's not work at all. Brother. Okay. This is okay. PBR. Whatever. We need to. Can we just make a regular, like, even an image texture, like a. I guess the gradient texture is what we want. Oh, okay. I really have to give up on this today. I don't want to. I really wanted fur. But this fur system, even though it literally says it supports 4.2, it's really not integrating well. Fuzzy fur gradient. What about this hair? That seems better, but it doesn't really solve our problem. Like, I mean, the PBR is like, that's great, but not helpful. And the density clearly doesn't change anything. There's nothing in the next pass that it should happen. Like, it looks better, but it has some problem that I'm just not seeing. Maybe it needs. What if I duplicate this? Maybe it's not showing up because it needs the depth or something. Maybe we should just clear this. Go back to this. Copy this. God forbid me. Let's make you unique. And then give you quick load. Oh, that's weird. That's weird. What's this? Oh my god. Something was happening. Radial segments rings. Okay. That's strange. This is the material, yeah. Oh, right, I see. That's how I missed that. Right. I was looking at the wrong thing. So this is the discard material, but I can't actually change anything here. So never mind. Then yeah, let's try loading. Oh my word. Yeah, it's just this. Let's have a look at let's go back to the scene. I really worry about what it even is, but I think that's just what we're going to have to do. Testing. Here we go. Add-on testing. Oh, there's some voxel data. That's weird. But this is okay. I'm actually seeing it now. There is multiple meshes. Oh, that kind of sucks. Is there not like a really easy way, or is that maybe it's something added by? Is there array meshes? No, see, yeah. Oh, brother. So we'll have to generate it, or maybe there's a script for it. Okay. I should go back to the website and see if there's a tutorial as part of it. View files. Will that take me to the GitHub? Yeah, it will. Okay. Gallery. Further physically moves adjusted to be. What's all this physics? Oh my god, there's so much more. Further, we can give it metallic and roughness. Don't care. I do care. Demonstration license be shared wherever it's used. Sure. All right. Automatic mesh generation. So. Yeah, I mean, it's using all this add-on stuff. Maybe the way that I integrated into the project kind of didn't work. Further, yeah. So I guess potentially delete the stuff that's in there and try the asset lib again. Yeah, it's clearly some kind of plugin. Maybe there's a GD script for it. So let's go back to Colossus. Let's delete you. Is there a script? What's the script situation? Quick load. Add-ons, 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 add-ons. Squiggles fur. Squiggle fur inspector. Async tools. Fur tools. Shell fur. Well, that seems... Oh, targeting. Here we go. Root override. Surfaces. Interesting. And add an element of what? Oh, this is just an int array. Right. Okay. Let's do 0, I guess. Layer count, strang length, style, physics. This is good. This is a good start. Right. I mean, I'll just do the current whatever. Can I just drag you into here? Hello. You don't appear to be doing anything. Base color, don't care about shadow, only material override. Strand length, larger? No. Ow. Maybe it needs some kind of material. Oh, I see that the shader's down here. Okay, so maybe in the add-on testing, I'll have some sort of idea for us. Add-on testing, blah, 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 VoxGI. This is interesting. Does this need to be here for it to work? Kind of hoping not. Why would you not have a... Is there a README or something that I missed? Oh, there's a README. Yeah, but it's the same README as on the GitHub. So why would it not... There's no tutorial on how to use this, bruh. There might be something on YouTube. But hang on, let's carry on with this. So this doesn't have a script. Does anything have a script? You do. You have this. So shell fur targeting is this root node. The surfaces says 6. Okay. I don't know what that means, but okay. But it's just that. And search recursive. Shells 32 has a color. Oh wait, maybe the color means that. Oh, okay. Okay, let's try. Oh, Ruble, no, come on, I know, come on. Really bad time, Bubba. Okay, this is fine. So let's try replicating in here. Let's make this 6, I guess. Let's make, oh, the base color is black. Maybe it's too big, I don't know. So search recursive. Maybe it needs to not be this. Maybe it needs to be like this. Doesn't seem to have found it though. 32. Maybe this needs to exist. Like this to this. Doesn't seem to be wanting to do anything. Is there like a button? Maybe just press play. He's in the drawer. Doing something. Yeah, I know. Okay, where's Colossus? And then you. Let's player. I don't see any fur. Oh man. I'm gonna have to quit this, aren't I? This is missing some editor specific import data. Okay, let's get rid of this. Oh, Ruble, stop! Ruble! I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to pause. He's being an absolute nuisance. Okay, back to it. With some luck, Ruble will stop bothering, but also I have a spray. Okay, so let's restart and see if stuff loads better, because it seems like there's some re-importing nonsense that's going on. Oh wait, can you even? Yeah. Anyway. Let's see what errors we get when we load in. Yeah, this unable to open file and load resource. Okay, so that's probably the big problem here. We need to just delete what we've got. Yeah, the assets and the repo assets and the testing. Let's just delete all this. Remove. Wait. That's fine, right? It's not gonna like delete you. It's just gonna, yeah. We'll just clear your script, which should be here somewhere. Oh, here you go. All good. Oh, is there something in the material? I didn't do that. Is it saving for some reason? Should be this. I didn't mess with anything else. Rings, soft material override. That seems fine. Then I'll open the scene again. Okay, close to TSM. Cool. You save? I don't know. Some resources causing a problem. That's fine. Let's go to the asset list. I'm really hoping it doesn't. Oh, it's crashing at this point? Okay. Okay, we'll let it load. Oh, uh-oh. Everyone doing okay? Yeah. Okay. Still loading or okay? So you're fully loaded now. There. Oh, thank God. Okay. The one. Yeah, I guess something's wrong with the Godot assets today. Oof. Weird. Let's try downloading it. Okay. What are they? Oh, get attributes? That's kind of weird that they'd be included anyway. Yeah. And then what else? Oh, project. That's so strange. Okay, let's try installing it this way. Why would they do it like this? Oh, because. Okay. So yeah, there's just a big squiggles thing in there now. Is there? Oh no. Okay, I added it like that. So there's still nothing on here that actually tells you like how to use it, which is just so strange. So let's try going in 3D and looking at the Colossus, which is over here now. All right, I just realized that was the problem. Don't save. Okay. Okay, and now if I add the script, we'll see. New script, perhaps? Genuinely can't tell. No, quick load, sorry. Shelfer, fur tools, shelfer inspect. So these are fine, and these are the tools. Yeah, I mean, like, when you say 6, like, doesn't feel great. Could be 2, and then assign like this one to this. Oh man, I don't want to go off on this. Like, it's cool this stuff is here, I just don't understand why. Okay, I'm gonna see if there's some kind of yeah, like literally, like, I guess no one knows about this, but I'm hoping there is a YouTube video. We can all listen to it together. Nice. Squirrels, good stuff. No. Like a ton of people have like fur shaders, which I assume, yeah, but they're like 3.1. Oh my god. Yeah, I feel like I'm wasting too much time on this. Oh, you know what this is actually? There we go. Sorry if the mic quality has been a bit bad. Let's try somewhere else. It's like, why would you release a plugin and then not tell anyone how to use it? Right. Okay. Well, I found their YouTube channel, but I'm not seeing a fur shader or anything. I mean, I guess it could be not theirs. Yeah, no, nothing. Damn. I don't really know what to do. Like, this seems like a well done, put together thing. But the fact that I literally can't get it to render. And also when I do in this test done, like restart and upgrade. This doesn't work for me as well. Must be another 4.2 issue. Like this works. Oh my god. Like this genuinely works. And it seems to work really well. I mean, like, you know, it obviously has its issues, but I literally don't. Maybe this has to be its thing. It has material override here. Okay. And it's a shader with a furry material shader that has the strands in it. Oh, you. Ruble, go away. Okay. I guess we'll try with that. Kind of lags though, so I'm already like, oh, I don't want to put it in my thing. But I guess we can turn the settings all the way down. Okay, so you have this. You need a material override, I guess. Quick load. Very material. Still nothing. Shader. Next pass. Maybe. Oh boy. Let's look further into it. Back to you. Don't have anything in the next pass. The strands. Okay, the density is kind of insane. And there's a fur texture. Hello. It's a noise texture 2D. Wait, are you local to the scene? No. Okay, well, what's your path? Resource. Path. Assets. Kindred fur. Trez. Right. Make unique. Don't know if that works. Okay, but the texture does have noise texture. Let's try that then. I see that that's kind of working now. Why don't we do? Why would a noise texture? They used to. Oh, here we go. New noise texture. 512, 512, seamless. Not normalize. Color ramp. Oh my days. It doesn't look like it's doing anything. I guess. Keep trying. The density seems kind of crazy. 500. Noticing how it's not applying anything. Like, this is not working the way it should. I know that. What are you? You're a mesh instance 3D. How are you any different from you? I guess this is the mesh instance. So maybe, God, maybe we clear this. We put it in this. No root override. What does this mean? The mesh instance surfaces to apply fur to, or all if left empty. Well then I guess we're going for all, aren't we? Root override is the root node for this fur defaults to the parent node. It's fine, I guess. And then what, search recursive, whether or not to search recursively from the root node. Good. That's fine. Layer count, I mean, doesn't matter at this point. Shadow material override. So is this necessary, I guess? Quick load. Furry material. Okay. Still not seeing anything. Let's save. Nothing in the pass. Yeah, density. Taper power, whatever. Fur texture this. Okay, what's your deal? So you look like that. That makes me feel a bit better. But we also have a base color that we could change. But I'm not really convinced. Okay. Okay, let's try. Let's try giving a different base color, I guess. I wonder why one of them is yellow. Seems kind of strange. But new fossil, isn't it? What's yours? Fur texture, fast noise light. Simple. Oh, Ruble! Can I just copy this? Like, why not? Am I gonna? Oh, yeah, copy. To Colossus. Fur texture. Paste. Cool. Doesn't really solve my problem though. But nothing's being generated. So we could try playing. See if that changes anything. I feel like I won't though. Yep. No, nothing. Project. There's nothing here that I'm seeing about like generate the fur or anything. Oh my word. My patience. Come on. Sweetheart. Just stop. I'm sorry. Shouldn't shout. Don't shout at your cats. I wasn't a shout really, but he was still. Come on. Okay. I'm gonna get this fur working off screen, but not today, I guess. Today I'll focus on other things because I don't have time. If the fur doesn't work, I've wasted now about 45 minutes on this. This was the worst possible time for this to happen. I should have done more research here. I'm really sorry. We're going to focus on the other parts of the game. We're going to focus on the UI and the cat. And maybe in my hour break, I'll try and get something working. I guess I'll message the person. If I'm going to pause it and really do that real quick. But first I need to sort out Ruble actually. So I'll pause it anyway. All right. See y'all in a second. Okay, all had a little calm down. So this was a kind of a dud, but that's okay. Sometimes it does be like that. I'm thinking let's just remove this script for now, and we'll figure out another time. Okay. I don't know what this is, and that's really bugging me. Hit making me a point. Yeah, that's all fine. The weak point stuff works. So UI, not UI. We're gonna do the player first because the player's just been just a ball for the longest time. Ooh, whoops! I didn't want to delete. I wanted it to focus. Is it F? It is F. And I don't want that to happen anymore. I mean, I still want the mesh to be the mesh, but yeah. So we're gonna change this mesh. First of all, we're gonna import assets. Oof. Let's create a new folder, call it meshes. And we're gonna import something, or should I move it in? Yeah, let's move it in here. Go meshes. Here we go. And then I have a new file that I made. Will hopefully just work. Yeah, you work. Cool. Okay, that's nice. So instead of a sphere mesh, which I'm realizing, let's just like clear. Immediate mesh. Oof. Actually, can't figure out. I'm thinking point mesh, quad mesh, prism. None of these? No, that's not it. Let's just drag you into there. Cool. So this is the cat model. And I guess, can I unpack you? Obviously I can make editable children, but I'm wondering if instantiate child scene. No, that's not it. Make local. Oh, there you go. Cool. And then I could just put you in there. Maybe delete you. And then put you in there. And I could call you player mesh. Okay, cool. So I just need to shrink it down. In the transform. Ooh. Well, that's a little funky. That's not what I did. Oh no. That's your origin? Why? Okay. That's kind of terrible, but also we can make it work, I guess. Yeah, Jesus. Let's get your Y over here. Can I re-import this? This seems apply root scale, root type, ensure tangents. What is enable save the file? It's not letting me. Oh, meshes. Here we go. Nothing in the okay actions extract materials. No. Okay, never mind. We'll just have to set it to something really bizarre. Brilliant. Oh my word. Yeah. All right. So we need it to be how small? Like that small. It's really hard to see the faint line of the thing. There we go. And I guess let's just shrink you some more. Move you down. See how it fits. Okay, that's pretty close. I think if it clips a little bit here and there. You're not on the, oh right, you're not on the ground. Yeah, that's the other problem. So actually we want it to move kind of here-ish. So at the bottom of the sphere to be the cat. Although with this there'll actually be floating with me. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's try this out. I've also realized it's definitely facing the wrong direction. Well, I don't know if there's any facing at the moment. We'll see. Oh boy. I need to think of other ways of doing place Colossus, place player. Okay, well, yeah. Oh, look at that. That's incredible, honestly. That's how cats move, I believe. Oh, it's so small as well. I wasn't expecting it to be this small. Oh god. I kind of really want to keep that, but it is terrible. Oh my, that's so fun. That's so fun. Okay. No, we're not going to keep that, unfortunately. I'm probably just going to lock the rotation for physics and then do it based off the the up vector and the whatever. Still, oh my word. Just savoring it for a little bit more. Okay, so pretty sure the forward for this needs to be rotated, so we need oh wait, no, it's just something. You need to re-rotate it. I guess plus 90. There you go. Now you're looking forwards. And that's okay, because then we are going to go into what, the collision, or is this this is a rigid body, so we can then axis lock, angular, all of it. So now as we move around, should feel a little different. I actually wonder if the rolling changed the physics a little bit. Kind of bad. I don't think it will. Oh, this actually has dampening. That's fine. Okay, so yeah, now the cat doesn't move. Wait, what? Oh no. The rolling was making this smoother? Or is that because of the dampening? Oh no. Okay, that's a little worrisome. Yeah, I guess because we weren't rolling. We need to change the friction of things. That's really bad. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Let's see. We must have a solver. I guess physical material, and then in here, yeah, we can set the friction to be like nothing. Rough, no bounce, absorbance. What does that mean? Well, that's not important. Let's try if the reducing the friction helps. Oh boy. Okay, yeah, this is better. This is a lot better. I guess theoretically balls have no friction, but this is okay. Oh, nice. I fell down. Okay, so now we want it to just be pointing in the right direction. Okay, good. Worried there for a second. I actually never tried climbing up the bottom of these legs. Is this fine? Yeah, seems like it was okay. So let's get on it. We need to have this pointing in a certain direction, and I guess the player needs to point in that direction as well. So yeah, let's get into it, and let's look at the 1 second, sorry. Okay. Okay, so oh my word. Yeah, we need to do in the player movement. Player movement, we need to basically always know where the player's going, and we need to set that rotation. Oh man. I'm trying to think about best ways of doing it. Because you have like angle access. Wait, and then quaternion angle access have a not vector, don't they? Oh wait, no, we have a lookout. We just use the lookout. That's perfect. Yeah, we'll use the lookout function. That should always work for us, I think, maybe. But we do need to have, oh my god, so many variables. This project so big now. Yeah, let's do this, and let's do private vector 3 current forward. Let's try it. Equals vector 3 forward, and private vector 3 current up equals vector 3. I mean, realistically, we don't have to do that. Fine. Let's just try and figure it out. So I guess at the bottom of all this, I don't know. There, this player movement is kind of what we want. Like wherever we're applying the force is where we want the character to move, perhaps. I guess player.linear velocity also could work. But we need this normal, right? So that makes things a little trickier. Yeah, let's try doing this, and then basically being like player dot row or look at. Okay, that seems good. And then what are the things? Target up and use model front. I don't know what use model front does. The z-axis is treated forward, implying x is left, points towards the target position. By default, the camera forward is treated as forward. That's confusing, but I guess we'll make that work for now. Oh, so we need to look at a position. Well, okay, fine. Literally just global position. Wait, is look at locally? Right? Towards the target. Oh, in global space. Cool. So global position plus. That's not working? What do you mean it doesn't work? This node. Oh, right. Player dot global position. Plus player dot linear velocity, I guess. Yeah, and then it'll be if the linear velocity is more, whatever. Because it should, yeah, theoretically it should always be looking where we're moving, not where we're changing direction, maybe. I mean, you can do it either way, but yeah. If player dot linear velocity dot square magnitude length squared is more than 0.1, perhaps. 0.01. Is this a, yeah. Okay, then the player looks at that. Actually, wait, let's not do that. Yeah, we're already doing input left squared. Sorry. So, oh, no. Okay. So if, yeah, plus linear velocity dot normalized. So it's always looking wherever we're traveling, and then the vector 3 up in this case will be vector 3 up. Let's get a basic version of this, and then we'll try and interpolate some things. Yeah. And so when we're climbing, basically the same thing, which might look weird. We'll see. But instead of vector 3 up, we want the normal to the climbing plane. Okay, let's see if this works. Very curious. Could go horribly wrong. I'm gonna get the errors again. I don't like these errors. I really wish I knew what was making them. Okay. I can't move. Oh, I realized that's, yeah, that. Why can I not move? What on earth? Like, for what purpose? Does the look at do something? I guess it should be before all of this. Oh my word. That's fine. Yeah. No, wait, because this is on ground, so... Okay, fine. Before the applying the force. Maybe that'll work. Is applying force on a... No, it can't be. Yeah, it must be global. Gee whiz. Really? It's even in the debugger, like... Errors. Errors. What does this do? Look at from position. Aligned, Christ. Okay, well, still. Don't tell me I need to solve this. What happened here? Lord. Okay, I mean that might, I don't want to run it again, but I guess we got a bit of time. That's just a shame. I wish this game would have looked better. And like, we can still work on some things. I'm going to work on the lighting, and I'm going to work on the skybox. But, poof. Without the fur, this thing's going to look real. What on earth? What's happening? Something very wrong. Is it? Jesus Christ. Wait, did I mess up, like, something? Nothing went wrong here. What happened here? My word. Okay, so this lookout thing is a dud. I could get the model and I could make it look at it, I guess. I guess that wouldn't be a nightmare. Sure. What's the player mesh? I'm literally just gonna player dot get node. I will make it better, but get node 3D player mesh. Yeah, I guess it makes sense to not alter the. Oh no. Okay, not alter the rotation of the physics mesh while we're using it. That makes sense. Okay, we're saved. Have to do it again, then, won't we? Whoops. Yeah, and then the rotation. Ugh. I mean, I can do something with that. Okay. Yeah, we'll use some noise textures and we'll give it we'll work with what we got. Okay. Oh, the rotation is in the wrong place. Oh, that sucks. That sucks. Okay. That's okay. We're gonna work with this. We're gonna give it a parent, reparent. Let's make a new node. Just a regular node 3D. Put you here. Put you inside. Call you layer mesh. And then yeah, that should just rotate. What's your transform? I wonder. Is 0, 0, 0? Perfect. Yeah, that'll just move it around. I'm liking this. This is gonna work. I can feel it in my bones. Or it won't. So you know, one or the other. Okay, that's what I wanted from the get-go. Let's try you. Yeah, I mean it looks really silly, and the jumping especially, but you know, and it looks really weird when you do that. Yeah, it should be on the normal no matter what, shouldn't it? Bonk. Okay, well it's good enough for now. Yeah, so this isn't a rig model. I'll add some animations and I'll try and add that tomorrow. I think will be my goal. Right, we need to get these weak points. What has happened? What? I've lost all control. Okay. Yeah, I guess the input froze. Okay. So these weak points. Can I just change the default stuff? Does not appear so. That's fine. When we generate the weak points, which will be in the weak point generator code. Right, that's what we're not doing. Right, new weak point dot what damage equals 10. Is there anything else in this weak point we want? I mean, yeah, it would be nice if I could hold them and that would do it. I'm seeing the damage 30. Okay. Oh, did I not need this? I guess I didn't. It's weird, but I guess yeah, no, it goes to a current weak point, so that makes sense. Okay. That's okay. The notification works well. So I guess let's get into texturing. So this mesh, okay, and we need a new material. New standard material? Yeah. New standard material. I wish I could name them like so yeah, you've served me well, but we need to be changing some things up. So let's start with the albedo. We're gonna give it a texture. It's gonna be a new noise texture. It's gonna need some noise, new fast noise. Okay. Don't love how that is, but I guess that's how it is. So, are you good? Simplex, smooth, cellular, Perlin. Simplex like that's a bit harsher, isn't it? On this fractal stuff. Oh my word, there is a lot of things we can do with this. We also want something with a color ramp, I assume. Oh right, that's here. Ooh, I can make a 3D. Oh wait, if I make a 3D, no, it doesn't work. Okay. Okay, but oh, in 3D space, would that work? Oh, not quite. I guess, yeah, that's fine. Smooth. Cellular. Ooh, that's kind of fun. Like the webby way. Perlin, that's the Minecraft one. Value cubic, or just value. I think cellular works for me because what we're going to do is we're going to make the frequency like smaller. Yeah, like this. That kind of works. And cellular distance function. Manhattan. No, that's not important. Hybrid. What's the just a ooh. Well, I kind of like that. Kind of gives it that feel. I don't know. Look at that. This is good. This is good like that. Return type. Distance squared. Right. Distance to add. No, let's just do distance. Main warp, local, whatever. It seems a little repeating. So maybe turn the frequency down just a tad. I want this to be. Maybe it's the color ramp. Maybe I have to do here. It's new gradient. Ah, I see. Yeah, that makes it a bit more better. So let's go from like a muddy green, like here, like a dark, sort of sage greenish, and then maybe a like lighter brown. Oh, oops, that's still green. Muddy green. Oh no, here we go. Lighter brown. Kind of works. It's a little hard to read. But I do like it. Maybe a lighter. The orange kind of looks bad. I can make it kind of all greeny. I don't hate it. I do not hate it. It kind of looks ogreish. I'm just realizing that's a mess. Ooh, we could mess with this a bit. Make that like that, and then this could be a much lighter. Yes, this could be the orange. Bit darker. Yeah, darker again. Yeah, we use mid values. That's good. So why can't I? Okay, that, and then maybe a bit. Yeah, see, this is the main thing. I think maybe blue. That's the, yeah, that looks good. I like that. It's like, I mean, it's like kind of gross, but yeah, okay. Let's do that and ooh, color space. Whole club. I think that's fine. Is it like, is the resolution low? Could I think we could probably afford 1024, right? Just looks a bit higher res. Yeah, that's nice. And then we'll reduce the frequency again. Okay, this kind of looks cool. Now we need it to have some sort of texture though. So, my word, yeah. In the material, let's look at. I mean, let's just add to all the meshes. This isn't gonna work, is it? Oh, they all do have it, but they also don't all have the same material, so that's okay. Yeah, we'll do it one by one. Actually, let's do it now. So, save, nice. And we're gonna call this, Colossus material, I guess. And yeah, I guess I'll just save it. Oh god, let's make a new folder. Materials. Cool. So we saved that in there, and then let's just go through all of these and replace the material. Quick load. Oh. That's material. Cool. And then let's do a quick load. We know it's at the bottom now. And then you. I might change some things around with him, to be fair, with the face. Quick load. Looking good. And then quick load. Oh, whoops, not there. Let's grab some shape. Oh. Colossus material. This UV bit there doesn't work great, but it'll work for now. Okay, I like this. So let's mess around with it a bit more now. So yeah, textures there seems decent. That's the albedo. We want the I guess metallic. Ooh. Okay, can I have somewhere in between? There you go. Yeah, probably that, and then specular. I feel like really shiny, but I think this is fine. The roughness, on the other hand, I do want to make another noise texture. And we'll give it a noise. Yeah. Oh, or is this not? Right. I see the trouble. I think this is probably fine. I mean, if I make the frequency quite large. Yeah, that kind of looks kind of weird and like fleshy. Okay, yeah, we're getting something here. This looks really weird, but I kind of love it. I wish the coloration could kind of change. I think I need a shader for that. Okay, and now we got roughness. I do height enabled. Ooh, hello. Scale, deep parallax. Right, what is this? You're just not gonna tell me, are you? Height map enabled. Oh, cool. Yeah, I can just give it a height map. Give it some noise. More noise. Okay. That looks so freaky. I love it. Let's make it like 20. Oh right, it maxes out at 16. Let's not use. Can you use Salvia again? Ooh, wow, that looks so freaky. I think 16 was a bit too much actually. Let's try it back to like 0.5 or something. Maybe? It's hard to tell. Let's try disabling that roughness thing that we did. Oh, and we could also, yeah, maybe the shininess is actually kind of the problem there. Let's go a new color gradient and let's just select you and put you down to like there. But not normalize. Okay, I'm curious as to why you're now shiny. Should be shiny. Oh, maybe it's this. There we go. Okay, and the height. I don't think I love that. There's something there. The rim lighting kind of ruins it. Oh. I actually have no idea what this is doing. I'm gonna turn this off. And maybe we'll try a normal map. And we'll give it, I guess, a noise texture. We'll see if we can generate, oh god. New fast noise. Yeah, I mean, that's not really what we want. Well, that actually looks kind of cool. It looks weird, at least. As normal map, perfect. Oh, that's exactly what we wanted. Oh, it looks really weird now. Yeah, and all bumpy and stuff. That's what we want. And yeah, the noise. Let's up the frequency by quite a bit. Yeah, here we go. Oh, that looks so gross. I love it. I love it. And then maybe cellular. Oh, cellular actually doesn't look as good there. Perlin, value cubic. This is probably maybe fine. 3D is not. That's not much anything. I don't know why for the gradient I want to try doing it so that it's like this. Ooh, wait, yeah, and then this one goes down. Kind of looks like splodges. Maybe it goes down lower. Yeah, maybe not white as well. Maybe like a slightly lower white. There we go. That gives us some texture. Oof. Okay. Maybe go back to the roughness. Doesn't seem like it makes much of a difference actually. Maybe you. Yeah, it seems like it doesn't change it. Metallic though. Yeah, there we go. Oh, God, it's really awful. Oh my God. Why are you so hard to... Okay, so we don't want that. So keep that 0.1, maybe 0.3. And then that gives it a rim, and I don't like the rim. So maybe we'll keep you 0 and you at like 0.3. Ooh, 0.2. 0.15. There's a little bit of glossiness. Could be more. Okay. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of our Colossus currently. I think it'll look a lot better with his fur. But the actual, oh, you know what? The normal map needs to be way higher res. Let's do 2048. Yeah, and let's decrease this frequency. Ooh. Yeah, other than like where this is clearly the UVs have gone kind of wrong, which is weird. I wonder if that's because, is this mesh? No, see, like, look, that's how it looks like that. Yeah, I'm not sure why they didn't. That change anything? No, these are just things for that, I guess. Rings, radial segments, what's this mean? Yeah. Yeah, I'm fine with that. It's like these ones look great. Don't really know what the difference is. Other than I guess that this is much wider. But it's okay. It can look a little bad. It's weird. I feel like we need to revisit the revisit the color just a tad. Because now that we got the roughness, it kind of doesn't work with it as good. I'm thinking we keep it closer to the greens. And make it light darker. Now it's got this glossiness, like. No, let's give it to like the browns. Let's try and desaturate a bit. That's probably what I'm looking for. I've got so many primary colors, and like obviously the game I'm emulating doesn't really work in those. How about you? Come on. like this. This is kind of more what we're looking for, I think. Maybe more. There we go. This is nice. This is cool. Let's have a play. Let's play. Let's see how it looks. Yeah. Next thing we really need is just like something for the ground, I think, which we can do pretty easily, and maybe some fog and a skybox, and then like we'll have the makings of a pretty basic graphics. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this looks pretty cool. Yeah, I love the normal texture, and it looks a lot more climbable, which is nice. Yeah, I need to set this so that it follows the normal of what it's currently on. That makes sense. Yeah, I like the look of this. Yeah, it looks kind of freaky. It's kind of ideal. It's kind of shiny, but also still kind of works. Okay. Cool. Well, I'm glad that it still looks okay. Let's look at the player, by the way. We want it to be a black cat for some reason. So we need to go to main, player mesh, U, mesh, normalized shadow mesh, surface. We're gonna clear you and literally just create. Yeah, see, now that I'm thinking about it, I'm thinking the fur shader probably doesn't work with base meshes. Like, it probably works with just, like, I bet if I added it to this, it might work. In which case that sucks, because I'm like, I built this out of these meshes. And like, I could try and like go back and like redo them all. I might do that. I don't know. Boof. Let's just add a new standard material. Let's make it black. Yeah, that just looks kind of nice. Let's try. Let's see if actually, yeah, we had this. Got you. Oh, not add metadata. Sorry. We add a quick load. And what is it? It was shelter. Right, it just does all surfaces, search recursively. What's parent? Defaults to parent node. So you're still not working, which is interessant. Quick load. It was fairy tale, wasn't it? Yeah. No, I'm not seeing anything. Yeah, it still doesn't do anything. So strange. Yeah, there's no like, no fur on it. Nope. Yeah, I mean, nothing. It's broke. Oh well. I mean, what is this? Node extensions force handler. Oh. Well, that's weird. I guess if That works. Okay. Oh. Yeah, if the body has no black climbing. Where's an arrow? Here? Oh, oops. Okay. Guess we'll leave that there and we'll figure out what to do there. Yeah, let's change the normal calculation, or the rotation calculations. So instead of this nonsense, should it still be when the input? I think it's not actually when the input is more. This one was set. This is probably fine, but then this. Yeah, we'll set it after, basically, and we'll be like, if climbing dot is climb available, then we'll basically we'll do this, and we'll do climbing dot normal. Oh. Direction. Right, and then minus direction. And that'll probably be fine. We'll see. We'll see how that works. But yeah, that way then when we're not like doing stuff, it'll just snap to the surface that you're currently on. Which just won't work if we add ramps and stuff, but yeah, these are all things that will get ironed out if I had a lot of time. I don't have a lot of time. Okay, yeah, that looks nice. And then when I let go, yeah, like it looks kind of weird when I'm like here and stuff, but it's fine. It's fine. It, like at least it like goes on top. Yeah, like when I'm here, like what is happening. But that's fine. I need to get rid of some of this debug now, actually. Although it is actually kind of hard to see the black cat, I'm realizing. We should have some kind of outline. Or maybe we should make it bigger. Oof. We could make it bigger. It is quite small. Wait. Hang on. Fun bug. If I do this. It doesn't like straighten until I move. That's okay. That's okay. So yeah, happy with that. I'm thinking. Force handler. Yeah, let's get rid of this debug, I guess. Let's just comment out. And there should be an arrow somewhere. Yeah, just comment you out. That should be most of it. Although I think there is another one. Yeah, you. Okay, I'm pretty confident with where the controls are now. So I'm curious. You have more? No. Still can't figure out a name for this game. Like 8 Lives Left was cool. I thought of like, I don't know, Cat Kills Curiosity was another one. It's hard to say. It's hard to do it. I'm thinking Skybox, UI, and then maybe some particle effects. And that might be today. That might take today. So I guess we'll make this fairly simple. We'll give this material, standard material, and we'll just make it kind of rocky. So it's albedo, probably stay as a gray, like a lighter gray, and then we'll literally just use normal map enabled. And then noise texture as a normal map. Bump strength's fine, normal is fine. Let's give you some new fast light, noise light. Yeah, we'll want the frequency to be crazy high. Oh, I guess that won't work. Right. Transparency, albedo, normal map, scale? No, that's not it. Oh, it's because this whole texture is... Oh, this sucks. And I can't change you. Subdivide, not important. UI padding doesn't do anything. Ugh. Of course. Let's just subdivide what? Ten. That change anything? Doesn't change anything with the UI. I wish sampling, hello. Okay. Oh, UV1. Ah, here we go. Let's do like 50. Fair enough. Okay. Well, that seemed like it kind of worked. You can make a triple planar? Really? That's kind of cool. Well, maybe we'll do that on these. It could be bad, but it could also kind of look kind of cool. Screw it. Let's just add it. I mean, like, I'm like, that might be really resource intensive. But it might also be kind of sick. In your material, UV1 triple planar. Ooh, it's almost there. I mean, it's massively changed the scale, but I think I can change that back here. Hello. Yeah, and then now it's normal around here. I wonder if it'll like move as it moves. That's kind of cool. So like 0.3. Maybe actually 0.6. Yeah. But now it just looks a bit more smoother around the edges. Yeah, I like that. What was seamless? This needs to be seamless, isn't it? There we go. I'm guessing you also need to be seamless. You need to be seamless? Yeah, that did it. Now there's no seams. Cool. It's pretty sick. I like that. Okay. Yeah, that's just a bit better. But you still need work. So done by 5. This now I work with this. Okay. Ooh. Is it crashing? I've got a freeze. That can't be good. Oh, okay, not freezing anymore. So I could increase this, but I think that's not quite the way. I think that that's fine. Go back to this, increase the UI scale by even more. Wait. Yeah, and then 100. Okay, and then what, 200? Okay, 200 is a bit much. 500? Yeah, let's go to 100. That's fine. And then we'll literally just go where this needs to be seamless. Ooh. So that stops any little weird bits. And we'll make it fairly, we'll make it 124. 124. And doesn't need to be normalized, does it? No. Okay. I guess the bump strength could be higher. Yeah. Kind of works. Looks a little bad later on. Yeah, generate bitmaps is good. Not awful, but maybe the scaling and some of this, like here and then what, down? That looks like it's making it smaller. Can't tell. Like 50? Kind of looks a bit worse. Maybe 200. I don't hate this, but I think actually 100 was a good middle point. Guess we should change the seed. Fractal. Don't mind. Cellular. Ooh, can I do Manhattan? What does that do? Oh, nothing. Ooh, that's fun. Oh, that looks great. Oh, I love that. Let's keep this. Can I make it bigger? Hell yeah! Look at that. That looks just like rock. Okay. And then I guess we'll make the strength way higher. Or maybe not. Maybe like here. And then scale. Ooh. Here. Maybe the frequency could be way larger. Yeah, that looks like rock. Okay. Love that. It's a little pixely. How do I make it less pixely? I guess I increase this. 200? Yeah. 300? 250. And then, that's pretty good, but I'll try. Yes, loving this. Okay. Can the bump strength be even higher? It kind of can, but it's like, this is probably better. Okay. Yeah, I just kind of wish it was, I could use this for other things. Let's try, I guess I want to know, like, how often it's repeating. Maybe that's not important. Maybe I should just quit for this. Hold on. There's been ups and downs. But I'm about to take a break in 20 minutes. Yeah, at least it looks nice. Do you want to see what it looks like? Sure. Cool. You don't want to get in the camera. You can, like, it's fine. Oh yeah. He I was getting very stressed, and he then started. He chose that exact moment to start becoming a nuisance. Yeah, so.
Why does it look like a rock? Is that on purpose?
Yeah. Just to like, and you know, you can now play as a cat. Kind of hard to see the cat. Maybe you should have a light on him. That could look kind of cool. Yeah, I don't know. I like the like wet material. Just thought it would look a bit more monstrous. I wanted to give him fur, but yeah, that's what I was getting stressed about. This fur plugin I found was basically, I'm not like useless, but not great. Bonk. Yeah, I need to change the ground material for that. Yeah, I'll have a light. That's a moving light on top of the player. That makes sense. Yeah.
Cool.
Your errands went well?
Yeah.
Finished those errands. Okay. Okay. 50 more minutes and we'll take a break. I mean, I don't know. I was thinking about taking a break at 3, but we'll give it a few more. Okay. Player. I guess, yeah, we'll add like add a child node, a light, and this will be a point light. Oh, omni light? I have no clue. I guess omni light, a light bulb or a candle. Yeah, sure. And we'll put it like here. I won't enable shadows. Just want to have some energy. Let's see what this creates. Because I just want it to be pretty obvious where the player is. Oh, I need a faster way of generating the starting and whatever's, but whatever. There we go. There's a little light. Oh no, but the cat rotates, but the thing doesn't, so I'm gonna have to attack it to that. Okay, that's fine. Probably needs to be a tad less obvious. Well, that actually is pretty good. Okay, that's good. It'll be more obvious where we are. Yeah, let's attach it to this. Okay. And I don't know, let's make the more of a yellowish. Okay. Yeah, it'd be nice if this wasn't so flat, but I think that's just how it's gonna have to be. Next thing we want. Okay. We want a skybox. Skybox for this place is awful. And I actually don't know preview environment. So we need a world environment node. World environment. What do you need? To have any visible effect, it requires this environment. Well, then we'll do that, won't we? New environment. Background. Clear color. Sky. Ooh. It's kind of weird. Oh, and then we have sky stuff. New sky. Sky material. My god. I guess a physical one could be good. Ooh, tubicity. Let's make this like a gray. Like here. So it kind of blends in. So I want this to be kind of stormy. Making it dark, deep blue. I'm realizing I'm gonna have to copy this onto the big player, but that's okay. Oh my days. Well, sky material. This was what, 0.005? Cool. Okay, and then process mode. Automatic is fine. Local scene is fine. Turbidity. I'm wondering if like physical isn't the way to go. Like a procedural one is better. It's annoying. I kind of want clouds and stuff, but I mean that's gonna be a whole. Ooh, night sky. Oh, that's because. Oh, right. Use the banding. If true, and it was banding is small, so reduce the banding. Appears to be images. That's fine. Yeah, I actually want kind of a dark. Okay. How big is the sun now? Oh, that's better, yeah. That doesn't matter. Oh, I've got the ground color. Me, I guess it's this bit. Let's make this, yeah, deep blue. Yeah, that's nice. That's cool. I like that. Okay. What else can we add to the environment? So we've got the sky, ambient light, perfect. A little bit, a very low tone. Sky perhaps? Doesn't seem like it's actually affecting anything. Okay. SSR, SSAO, God. Yeah, we need a lot of things. Fog. I want fog. Oh, yes. Okay. Density, I guess, is that. Yeah, we need to make the density way low. So maybe like 0.0001. Okay, so that's basic 0.001. That's close. What's the scan? Is it like? That's good. That's nice. I like that. Yeah, I kind of like this. Light color needs to be different though. It needs to be like a. We're going for like a blue, but maybe like a. What was the point of adding fog, like adding a sky when this fog's already doing everything for us? I'm undecided actually. I don't really know what looks better. This is actually not important. Whoops. Yeah, this is fog. I'm thinking maybe like a, yeah, like a this. But we should probably turn down the energy just a tad. It's annoying. I kind of want the density even more. Let's try 0.2 and then 0.3. I guess, yeah, it should be like hard to see. We'll change this a bit for the player, I think. Like we'll put the density down. Oh, sorry, for the big player we'll make put the density down, but for this, I think it'd be better if you couldn't see it as good. Yeah, that could be good. Yeah, I think to this height. Oh, I can enable volumetric fog. Oh wow. That's kind of sick, to be fair. Maybe this density goes down. Oh wait, let's see if this is down. Oh right, yeah, because I put 0.06. That's 0.01. And then the volumetric fog could be added. And then this could be like 0.1. Ooh, wow, can't see anything. Okay. Oof. There's a fine line. Right, I think this is more like, yeah. Okay, so this should probably go back to 0.06. 0.05-ish. Yeah. Okay. Its albedo, yeah, again, kind of a bluish. No emission. My word. I mean, yeah, it kind of looks cool as hell. Definitely works. I think I'm gonna need to bring the camera in a lot more than I originally had it. I need to improve the camera controls, so we'll get to that. Okay, this is good though. This is looking more like what I wanted. Let's move this into the big player. That's fine. Yeah, this is good. And let's change this, like copy the material. So let's save you, click on new, your mesh instance, copy this material, and then click on new, paste. There we go. Okay, and then like let's change. Let's make you unique. Oh, actually make unique recursive. And the fog density areas perspective, I guess, can help. Let's turn that up a bit, and then let's turn the density down a bit. 3, and let's just get rid of volumetric fog because I have a feeling that's not going to work in VR. Okay, and then it should be fine to look at. Let's give it a go. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean the ground looks a lot better and it's easier to tell when you're moving. Camera definitely needs to be closer, but this like moody thing, like, wow, tone It's way different. Oh, and I'm falling. Okay, so now for UI. I'm really just gonna focus on the player UI right now, which is not great because the big player will need more UI, but it's still like, wow. And like, oh, the horizon looks a lot better. No, I'm very happy with this. Oh, I should make sure that these damage. Yep, they're good. Boop boop. Okay. What errors are we looking at currently? It's just normal ones, right? That one, right? Yeah, the parallel. So that is weird. Makes sense. There's only a couple times. Yeah, let's add a thing to just make sure if the length, here, if climbing available and player dot lee dot is easier to calculate is more than 0.01. There we go. That should be fine. Should reduce the errors. Oh, and then some other big controller thing. That's weird. Okay, 2.5 hours. Oh, no, do another 2.5 hours in an hour. I'm gonna stop the stream and schedule another one. Because having an hour break, I don't know. I don't know what you guys think. I think that just seems like a waste, and we can just make a new stream. But it definitely looks so much better. Oh my days. So I guess after this we'll work on the UI and particle effects. And maybe fur if I can figure out in that hour, but I don't think I will. No, it's good. It's good that you have to like rest on this leg, which then adds sort of more thing. I do wish the cat could move a bit more and had a bit more animation, but I am gonna live if the little jump. Oh right, there's still this physics object here. Can I still climb with it? Oh, I can. Yeah, we need to delete this. Let's like delete it right now because that sucks. Why did I keep that around? I think I hit it and then I thought, oh, that like removes it, but it does not. Okay. Yeah, I mean, you know, there's definitely needs some blurriness to it, but I think it works really well. I'm very happy with where it's going. Do let me know though if you struggle to see it. Yeah, fog made a lot of difference. I agree. I wish something like mountains or like shapes or something. I guess that wouldn't be too hard to add. I just add big physics objects everywhere. And then maybe like their like whatevers could add to it. But I think for now it would make it harder to look at this silhouette. So I think I'll keep it like this for now. Yeah, and then we just need to look into UI and particle effects. Okay. Oh, if anyone ever figures out how to use that plugin, please let me know. But for now, I am happy with the way this is working. Yeah, have a good lunch or whatever you want to do. And yeah, I'm going to pause it. And I will see you in an hour.